Hey guys, Annalisa here, and I'm going to show you how to do your hair in mermaid waves today. I literally wear my hair like this every single day, so I'm super excited to show you how I get this look. It's super easy. It takes me like 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing I do is I spray this Sun Bum 3-in-1 leave-in, and that's actually after I shower, so I'll do that and then I'll let my hair air dry. So that's where we are now. So this is like my hair once it's air dried. And then I'll just take my brush and brush through. But then the next thing that I'm gonna do is take my Sun Bum Shine On Argan Oil. It looks like this. I've used quite a bit of it. This is like my favorite product ever. So I'll just do like 3 pumps of that and put it on the ends of my hair. All right, and then I'll go in and curl. So I don't normally section anything off. I literally just take like inch pieces. So I do separate my hair in half. So I usually do my right half first, and then I just take the top section and then I'll just go in and curl. This is the curling wand that I use. I literally got it from Target. I think it was like, I don't know how expensive it was, like $50 or $30. So I just go in and I just wrap it around. I think it's like a 1-inch barrel, and I usually just hold it there for 15 seconds. All right, so now that this one side is done, you can kind of see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off the camera, and then I'll come back and show you what I do for the final steps. All right, so now that I've curled both sides of my hair, I'm actually gonna use the Sun Bum Sea Spray Beach Formula. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just got a PR package from them a while back, and these are all products that I found that I've really enjoyed and loved. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and mist my hair with this. And then I'm actually gonna go in with the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Body Building Dry Shampoo. And I'm just gonna spray that in my roots to get a little bit more volume. And the last thing I'm gonna do is brush out the waves. I do not wait a very long time. I know some people whose hair doesn't hold a curl as well might wait a little bit longer, but I'm just gonna go in and like lightly brush through everything so it doesn't look all like ratty. Alright guys, and that is how I style my hair to get mermaid waves. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any other video ideas, please feel free to comment below. And yeah, if you want to see more videos, I'm gonna try and post a little bit more often, and I know I always say that, but feel free to subscribe. Bye!